Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum everyone. How are you all? I hope everybody is fit and fine. Alhamdulillah, I'm fine too. My name is Shiaza Zahir. Today I'm going to teach SST of class 1. This is my second lecture. Let's start our class, and before we start our class, let's raise your hand for dua. Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma. Amin. Well student, before I start my lecture, I would like to tell you where I am. Well my dear students, today I am in the play area of my school. Look at the play area. How beautiful it is. Look at this. In the play area, what we find? Yes, this is what?
Slide.
A slide where the student have slide.
Wow.
Come here, come here, come here. What is this? This is a game where student find the ball in the green color, in red and pink color. They play the games with the ball here. This is what? I explore something new. What is this? This is a
Playmat.
playmate. What do you find here?
I think, ma'am, fairy tales.
A fairy tale. You find a fairy tale here. Come here, come here. This is what? Look at this. This is my shelf where I put books and the toys to play, because this is a play area. There are many toys like this. Look at this. Look at this. Like this, I have some toys. And look at this mat. I have some counting mat here. What is written here? 1, 7, 5. The number. It's a numeral mat. So what we explore in the play area? Yes, we explore a slide in the play area. We explore the ball game. We explore the play mat, fairy tale. We explore the numeral mat. We explore the toy shelf. Let's see what we learned in the chapter about the exploring. Well, now we are going to read unit number 2, Rafe's house. In our SST book, unit number 2, Rafe's house. Okay, in the previous chapter we learned about Rafe's family. Today we are going to explore about the Rafe's house. As I made you explore about my play area, so we are going to explore about the Rafe's house. 2.1, the lounge. First we are going to explore the lounge. So first write down the date here first. What is the date? 4, 5, 6 and 2021. Write down the video lesson VL. V/L for video lesson. As you write down CW for class work, HW for homework, we write VL for video lesson. What are we going to learn? 2.1, the lounge. What is the meaning of lounge? Lounge is a place where the all family member can sit and have get together for a common purpose, to watch television, to have the tea there, like that. Rafe is in the lounge. There is a boy on his back. Okay, so what is this? Who is this? This is Rafe. First see who is this. Rafe. He is, you know very well, in previous chapter you have learned, he is Rafe's Dada. Rafe is showing something. What is that something? This is a bag. Rafe is showing Dada a bag. Look at this. This is TV lounge, or this is lounge of Rafe's house. He is Dada. He is Rafe. He is having a bag. Look at this carefully. Look at this carefully. On the bag there is someone. The picture of someone. He is a boy on the bag. Look at she. What is she doing? She is finding someone. She is Rafi's mother. You can see in the lounge there is a sofa set. There is a table, flower vase, curtain, lamp. There is a TV as well in the lounge, where the family members sit and enjoy the free time by watching the television. This is the TV lounge of Rafi's house. So Rafi is in the lounge. There is a boy on his back. His name is what? Ibn Battuta. Whose name is Ibn Battuta? The boy who is on the back. His name is Ibn Battuta. So student, who is Ibn Battuta? Ibn Battuta is a explorer. Explorer. He was an explorer. Explorer means who finds. Finder. Finder of new things. Like you. Says Dada. Mama comes in. Suddenly what happens? Mama come in the lounge. Mama, this is Ib. Says Rafi. Rafi say incomplete words Ib. Tell me later. Mama say tell me later. After. Later. Says Mama, I am looking for Zen. Looking for means to search. Looking for means to search. I am looking for Zen means Mama is searching for Zen. Who is Zen? Zen is Rafi's brother. He is not in bed. They look under the table. Under the table. As Mama is looking under the table, look, Mama is looking, this is a table. She is finding Zen under the table. They look behind the TV. Behind the TV they look for Zen and the chair. But they cannot find Zen. But there is not Zen. They could not find Zen in the TV lounge. So now we have learned only 2.1, the lounge, page number 6. Alright. So we have learned about the lounge, that how many things you explore in the lounge. There is a picture by which you can easily answer. Look at this question. What can you see in the lounge? Okay, you have to do this copy work in the copy. What can you see in the lounge? I can see a sofa set, Dada sitting on the sofa and searching for Zen behind the sofa. Mama, she is searching Zen under the table. There is a table vase. There are many things you can easily find and you can answer by yourself. Now we are going to do 2.2, the kitchen. Write down the date here too. 4/6/21. This is also V/L, the video lesson. 2.2, page number 7. Alright, what is this? This is the kitchen. Let's see the picture of kitchen, how beautiful it is. Obviously in the kitchen there is a stove, chula, okay, and some pot, frying pan, kettle, some pots to cook. There is a fridge in the kitchen. There is a pot shelf here, the table, the wash basin. Alright, all the things are here in the kitchen, as you have in your house a kitchen to cook. Look, Zen is searching, Rafi is searching for the Zen, Dada and Mama. They all are searching Zen. But what do you explore in the kitchen? A stove, table, kettle, pots, fridge and different kind of crockery. Let's read it. Mama goes into the kitchen. Rafi goes into the kitchen too. Two means also. Mama, he says, this is Ib. Again and again, Rafi tried to tell Mama about the Ibn Battuta. Ib means Ibn Battuta. But Mama is busy in searching of Zen. Tell me later. Again she says, tell me later. Says Mama, I am looking for Zen. Again she repeats the words, I am looking for Zen, means she was searching for his brother Zen. They look under the sink. Sink. Where is the sink? This is a sink. They are finding the Zen under the sink. Sink ke niche. They look behind the fridge. Zain is looking behind the fridge. Okay, and under the stove. Stove के नीचे, under the stove. But they cannot find Zain. But there is no Zain in the kitchen too. So now we will complete the exercise on page number 7 about the kitchen. Complete the words and match each item to the place where it is found. This is what? Fridge. What do we have to put? Ta. Table. Fridge is found in the kitchen. Table is found in the lounge. Okay. This is what? What do we need to put? S. Sink. Sink is found in the kitchen. We have to match it. This is what? Kettle. Kettle. Kettle is found in the kitchen. This is what? Stove. S. Stove. Stove is found in the kitchen. And this is what? V. If we put T here, it will be TV. TV is found in the lounge. We have to match like this. Okay, you have to complete page number 7. Well, student, we have learned unit number 2, Rafe's house. But we have only explored 2 places. 2.1 the lounge, 2.2 the kitchen. Okay, we have completely read and understood. We are going to learn and do the activity skill book. Skill book, unit number 2, Rafe's house. We will do 2.1 and 2.2, that is your homework on page number 6 and 7, which I will explain on the board. Okay, look at this. This is the lounge. Okay, you have completely read in the book. Now you will do it by yourself. This is about the kitchen. That is the kitchen. There are things like knife, stove, a pan, sink, bin, fridge, a spoon. You have to fill that blanks with the help of these words. Alright? Well, students, this is the homework skill book. Page number 6 about the lounge. Page number 7 about the kitchen. You have to complete page number 6 and 7 in your skill book. And we will meet in our next class. Allah Hafiz till then.